Okay, I am discussing about multi-wall nanotubes. Multi-wall carbon nanotubes are a type of carbon nanotube composed of multiple concentric layers or walls of graphene cylinders nested within each other. Each layer is separated by a distance of approximately 0.34 nanometer, similar to the interlayer spacing in graphite. Structure of single wall nanotubes versus multiple wall nanotubes. This is the single wall nanotubes. 0.5 to 1 nanometer. This is the multi wall nanotubes greater than 100 nanometer. Properties of multi-wall nanotubes. Electrical multi-wall nanotubes are highly conductive when properly integrated into a composite structure. However, it is important to note that only the outer wall conducts and the inner walls do not contribute to conductivity. Morphology. Multi-wall nanotubes are high aspect ratio materials with lengths typically greater than 100 nanometer. Okay, okay, sorry. Lengths typically are greater than 100 times diameter, in some cases much higher. The multivals morphology high aspect ratio materials lengths typically 100 times greater than 100 times in diameter, in some case much higher. Their application and performance depends not only on aspects ratio but also on the straightness and degree of entanglement, state of being two state together of tubes within turn is a function of both the dimensions and degree of defects in the tubes. Physical. Individual defects free multi-wall nanotubes have very high tensile strength, and when incorporated into a composite such as a thermoplastic or thermostat compounds can significantly increase in strength. Thermal multi-wall nanotubes are thermally stable to greater than 600 degrees Celsius, depending on the level of defects and to some extent on the purity, since residual catalysts in product can also catalyze decomposition. Chemical multi-wall nanotubes are allotropes of sp2 hybridized carbon similar to fluorines and graphite, and such are chemically very stable. However, it is possible to functionalize the nanotubes to improve both dispersibility and strength of composites. Structure of multi-wall nanotubes. The structure is a cylindrical tube including six-member carbon rings similar to graphite. The diameters of multi-wall nanotubes are 30 nanometer compared to 0.7 to 2 nanometer for single wall nanotubes. Application of multi-wall nanotubes, electrically conductive polymers, battery cathodes, water filtration membranes, electrical structural composites, increase in the strength and stiffness of composite structures. Okay, it's all about multi-wall nanotubes. Thanks for watching and request you all Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for patience. That is now. Bye bye.